Thank you for giving fish curry the most votes. Today I am making black pomfret curry, also known as halwa in our language. And here are the ingredients as you can see. And these are the ingredients I am going to put for my fish curry. I am using black pomfret. I have taken the best pieces for this fish curry. Here are the ingredients. You can pause here to look at the ingredients that I am going to put in the curry. I have put ginger garlic paste, tamarind powder, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder. This is the ginger garlic paste. This is tamarind paste. I have already put turmeric powder and chili powder. Salt I will be putting. Marinate it properly so that each piece gets all the masala. I would marinate it for about 10 to 15 minutes before I make the curry. Now I am putting the oil, about 4 or 5 tablespoons. Then I am putting the chopped garlic. Let it, I would stir fry for say about 10-15 seconds till it gets that little brown tinge. Now I'll be adding the marinated fish pieces. Be very careful when you add pieces. Fish is very delicate, it breaks very easily. I'm very much used to it. I make fish curry maybe 3 times a week. So I'm used to handling fish very well. So my fish pieces will never break. But you be very careful when you make fish curry. Be gentle when you put them in the pan, hot pan. And slowly stir fry. I might be a little harsh, but you have to be very gentle when you stir fry these fish pieces for some time. They have to get that oil coating before I can add water for a boil. So very gently try to turn the pieces to the other side so they get all the masala and oil coating. I do not usually use too much oil. I know my mom and my mother-in-law would use a little more oil than what I have used, but I just cannot use too much oil. Now I'm putting the water and then I will boil it. We call it as one boil. So let it boil so that the fish gets cooked. Now it is boiling. Now it is time to add coconut milk. Gently add coconut milk. I think I might have taken a little extra. You can use your own judgment. Don't use too much coconut oil because then it becomes, the taste is not as good. So I think this is a good color and coconut milk is also enough for this fish curry. So be careful when you turn these pieces. Wow, the color looks so good. Now I will put a lid and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. It's very important that you taste at this point for salt. Either the chili powder is enough, tamarind is enough. You can add these ingredients at this point. If everything is fine, you can add chopped chilies and chopped coriander for garnishing. That's it. Fish curry is ready. Thank you for watching.